Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix Twitter not loading on settings. We will go to figure out this solution. We will click here on settings, then we come here to settings window, and we will just we click here on apps, and we come here to apps window, and we will just go down to looking for a Twitter app. We will just go down, and we click here on Twitter. Then we come here to app info, we click here on force stop, then we click here on OK, and we click here in storage. Then we come here to storage window, we click here on clear cache, then we will click here on clear data, and you just turn off your phone and turn on it, and it's going to work with you. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe, and see you in next video about all Twitter settings.